How to pronounce charcuterie like a pro. Ever stared at a menu with charcuterie and thought, how do I even say that? You're not alone. This fancy word trips up everyone. Let's nail it today. All right, let's get it right. Charcuterie is pronounced charcuterie. Here's the breakdown. Char, like shark without the K. Koo, sounds like coo from a pigeon. Tuh, just a quick tuh like tummy. Ree, rhymes with C. Put it together slowly, charcuterie. Why is it tricky? The spelling is a mess. It's a French word, and those silent letters, like the C and H in the middle, throw people off. Plus, the eerie ending looks like it should be airy, but it's just re. Let's use it in real life. I'm hosting a wine night, and we're serving a charcuterie board with cheese and meats. The restaurant's charcuterie platter was loaded with salami and prosciutto. Yum. Brief history of the word. Charcuterie comes from French words, where chair means flesh, and cuit, which means cooked, combined to mean cooked meats. Historically, it referred to shops selling cured meats like sausages and ham. Today, it's all about those Instagram-worthy boards piled with meats, cheeses, and snacks. Pretty delicious evolution, right? So, there you go, charcuterie. Nail this word, and you'll sound confident ordering at a restaurant or impressing your friends at a party. If this one was hard, the next one might surprise you even more. Like, comment, and share this video to spread the word. Keep practicing, you're doing awesome. See you in the next one.